Alright, we're here in Flagstaff, the gas station. Pretty cold. It's about, let's see here. I don't know if my watch is working. Let's see. It's 59. So, bye. Alright, we're out here. Hold on. Oh, never mind. Not gonna work. Anyway, we're out here. First morning of the hunt. I don't know if I can check how cold it is. I'll check in a bit, but it's about 30 something, and we're going after an elk. So hopefully we get something. We also got these two knuckleheads on the hunt. Also, they also have tags. So, no.
Okay, we got three bulls here. There's that one in the frame, and there's two more below it. Let's see, there's two right there. The one on the top there, Jonathan already took a shot at, but it's like a 1,000 yards. We watched it. It was a clean miss. Didn't hit him. We're waiting for him to turn broadside. We might try and take another shot at him. The one down in the middle is the best one, and then you got another one below him. But they're just standing there. Like when Jonathan shot, they just walked, I don't know, maybe 30 yards, and just they're just been hanging out here for a second. So I'm hoping actually they bed down and we can maybe try and get a little closer. But I don't want to do anything until I see what they're gonna do. Let's try and get a look at this. That guy, and of course the wind's picking up. The guy with his heads down is the best one. Maybe he'll pick his head up and we can see him. Probably not though, he's milling. Yeah, the reason we don't, I mean, that guy's standing broadside, but we already took a shot at the top one, so we don't want to just start shooting at every single animal we see. So we're going to just keep shooting at the same one, I mean, just as a precautionary measure. Let's see, can we zoom in at all? Go for it. No, yep, go for it. Go for it. You missed him.
Out this morning at about 1,000 yards. I shot at him. It's too far and windy to get to him, so missed. No. Alright, I'm sorry, but it's day 2 and I'm about to be really sciencey here. So down, people know how when you come up here, the air gets thinner because the higher in elevation you go, the thinner the air gets. Alright? Well, so we sighted in the guns in Phoenix. So they were still sighted in. So I shot the elk at 1,000 yards yesterday, but I went way over his back because, the air was thinner, so the bullet traveled faster, and instead of just dropping off, it just continued to go straight off his back. So it went over his back. It's day 2. We're gonna try again. Hopefully we get something. We gotta get 3 elk. Alright, so
It's a shooting contest with Deacon's gun to see who can hit the can.
Alright, Deacon shot.
Alright, we're gonna go. Yeah. We're going down between these trees here.
6 mil.
Barely see the target there. We're going over here, but we got her zoomed in whenever you're ready, Deacon. Oh, why don't you take one more? Go one more.
Miss. Something's wrong with my ear. I hear
Yeah.
Go again. Rack another one. Can see the
Got it?
can on top of the target.
Okay.
hurt my ear.
Yep, that's alright. You'll live.
Eardrums might not.
Did I hit it?
No. Go. Are you ready?
Hold on, I'm doing it.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, go for it. Take it off safety. Oh, okay.
Oh, Betsy is not safety.
Alright.
Oh man,
What's wrong?
nothing. It's my ear still.
Your ear doesn't affect your trigger finger. Go for it.
He got it.
Long range.
He got it.
Ow!
We're here at the target. Look at the top. On the target again. And now it's Tristan.
Ready? Tell me when you're about to shoot and I'll start recording the slow-mo.
Tristan shot. Same target.
You gotta let us know when you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm probably gonna miss it.
That's alright. Go for it.
Ooh, barely missed it. Try again.
Okay, go one more time.
Tell us when you're ready. Like, ready.
Blurry again.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Missed again.
Oh, that's alright.
Going too fast.
Good try.
Okay, it's in front. It's starting.
I think the reasons I missed is because it wasn't really sturdy enough.
Okay. Well, it's all part of shooting. You gotta be able to try and hold this gun steady. Because we're not...
No, it's the backpack.
Okay.
Tell us when you're like shooting.
Yeah, tell me when you're ready, buddy. Okay, go. Here's...
Everyone gets
Okay,
one last shot. That's on cinematic.
Alright, we're doing one more round here. Deacon won the first round. He nicked it, but we're trying to see somebody center punch this sucker. So go for it. Go, Deacon, go. Go, Deacon, go. Go, Deacon, go. You gotta tell me when you're ready, so I'll start the slow-mo video, okay? Go, Deacon, go. Go, Deacon, go. Deacon, Deacon, Deacon. Gotta tell me when you're ready. Ready, ready.
Ready?
I'm ready whenever you are. Ready whenever you are. I can't tell. Did he get it?
No.
It's still on top of the target.
And look who's come to join us. Steven and the 7-3. Tristan's next shot.
Alright, Tristan, you gotta tell us when you're ready. I'll start the slow-mo video.
Alright,
Alright isn't yeah, I'll tell you, or alright, I'm ready right now.
I'm getting ready.
Okay, tell me when you're ready to shoot.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Scary.
Ooh,
Missed.
looked like you hit off to the left there, bud. Go ahead. Jonathan's third shot here. We're gonna try and see if we can't center punch this can.
Ooh, I missed.
Oh man.
Oh, you got lucky. That's a lucky miss.
0 out of 3, 0 out of 3, 1 out of 3.
What's up?
No more shots.
Okay.
Dad's first shot.
Last shot.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Third
We're
shot.
ready. Dad's third shot, not first.
Got it, Deacon.
Smoked it!
Smoked it.
Smoked it!
They're set up. Catchment's out there. And everyone else is on a hill behind us. So that's how it's going. Hopefully something comes in. We just hiked up this volcano, saw some elk, and now we're going after them. It's so windy up here.
Bowl down, bowl down. Not totally sure if he's dead. There he is right there, he's down. He looks dead.
He's not breathing. He's dead. He's not breathing. He's not breathing. He's dead. Yeah. Yeah! Victory!
Hey, give me a hug, man. Give me a hug. Love you, buddy. You did a great job. That was a great shot. 350 right there. 350. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. try and figure out how to get to you, okay?
Small bowl.
We're right by...
Success!
Alright, here we go. What are you doing, Jonathan?
Tagging my game. There we go.
There we go. Congratulations, buddy. Sealed the deal.
I did it!
I'm proud of you, man. You did a great job. The only disappointing thing of this trip is somebody left their backpack
blah, blah,
at the Forerunner.
We don't talk about
I'm hiking up the hill carrying that 40-pound behemoth, and then Jonathan's just springing along like a, hopping along. And I'm like, "Where's your pack?" "Oh, I left it at the Forerunner." I'm like, "Why'd you do that?" "Oh, less weight." I'm like, "Oh, I see how it is. Make your old dad carry everything, bum." But anyway, other than that, super exciting. Super exciting. I'm very, very proud of him.
That's why.
350 yard shot. 350 yard shot. Dropped him.
I think this might. Got him good. Now just try and get him on the roof. Here we go. On the Forerunner.
Where do we stick wooden?
5x4. 5. 4.